Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to turn off test mode in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. And after successfully logging into your Shopify account, now you'll be greeted by this home page right here where at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access for managing our store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to turn off test mode if you have activated it for your store. Basically guys, what we're going to do is right here the left side screen, go to the bottom of the page and click settings. After clicking settings, this is now going to open up this new menu of your settings options that you have for your store, such as general, plan, billing, and so on. What we want to open up is the payments section right here. So after opening up payments, guys, now we can get started turning off our test mode. And basically, guys, in the Shopify Help Center right here, as you can see, to activate and deactivate your test mode, this is what you have to do. You want to go into settings and payments, as I have just showed you, and in the Shopify payment section, you want to click manage. And guys, here is my Shopify payments. Basically, guys, I can only use PayPal. So for PayPal, this is not available to use, so I do not have test mode for PayPal. But if you have any other payment methods right here, you'll be able to click the manage button that it says right here. So you'll have a manage button, and then you want to go ahead and click the test mode section where you can go ahead and disable test mode. So go ahead and find the manage button next to your payment methods, and then you want to go ahead and click disable test mode, and then your store will be returned to default and will be usable normally. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.